Breaking the wall of human tissue regeneration. Joanna Sadowska, Falling Walls Lab, Wrocław.
Today on that stage, we are all about breaking the walls. But before we break walls in science, technology, or economy, let me ask you a question. Have you ever broken a bone? If not, consider yourself lucky, because every year 178 million of people do. This corresponds to 2 times the population of entire Germany. But here's the thing. 20% of these fractures will never heal, for many reasons. Because patients suffer from osteoporosis, they have tumors, or because the fracture is just too big. Under healthy conditions, the cells are capable to communicate between each other. It's like myself and this remote control. From here, I can just stand and easily change the slides. But if I now run to the other side of the room and try to change the slides, it won't be possible because the distance is just too big. And that's exactly what happens when the fracture is too big. And in circumstances like that, myself, biomedical engineer, and doctor, we are joining the forces to find the solutions. By now, we all know what gene therapies or messenger RNA is. During the COVID times, it has been used to create the vaccines. And what the vaccines do is to teach our immune cells how to fight the virus. The cells digest the nanomedicines, and they start to produce antibodies which shield us against the disease. I'm using this nanomedicine approach to teach the bone cells how to create the bone. I'm developing gene-activated scaffolds, which are the implants with similar structure, porosity, and composition of natural bone, which on top of that incorporate nanomedicines. These materials behave like sponges in the in vivo conditions, so they're attracting the fluids and attracting the cells, bringing them together so they can communicate. And from the other side, they also contain these tiny nanoparticles, which are digested by the cells and produce the molecules relevant for bone regeneration. With this technology can revolutionize gene delivery and regenerative medicine and heal the complex diseases in the future. And with my research, I don't aim to break the wall of human tissue regeneration. I aim to rebuild bones and the lives of the patients. Thank you.